Hello everyone and welcome. I just wanted to do a quick update on the channel. And I apologize to all the people in Entropia where I do a lot of the crafting stuff. I know I've been slacking on getting your enhancers all caught up. But I have this is kind of why I'm updating, is I've got a little bit of a change of pace here. I've bought a CNC machine. This is a picture of it here. And I've even got a little model that I made, a little 3D model that I made just mostly for layout to see how it fits in my thing, but I've got it set up on my website. But I've got basically a bunch of, this is the old one that I had, and this one here's going to be the new one. I had a little bit of a delay. I've got concrete. My driveway is getting completely redone. I figure I'll get that done before I start assembling this machine, give me some new room in the garage, because I've got some of this stuff in the garage getting replaced. So it should be pretty nice when it's all done, but I've got a lot of work yet to do to put the machine together, get it all placed, and get things ready. But I have been doing some design stuff, and I'll kind of show. Today, actually, what I did is I came up with a flag ratio calculator. So basically, you just start in with whatever height you have. So if it's like, I've got a board here that's 5.5 feet wide, or 5.5 inches, basically, yeah, wide. And so I want to see because there's certain regulations on, there's actually ratios that are regulated for the flag, which is kind of interesting. But if you put in 5.5 here, it automatically fills in what the flag width should be, what the stripe height should be, the union height, the width, star gaps, all that kind of stuff. But I've got kind of an explanation of the ratios here, just kind of a brief overview of the flag, some info on star spacing, a little bit on how to respect the flag, and yeah, basically did that today. So as you could tell, I've kind of got some. Let me add a new. Kind of got some. I'll be making flags. So let me see if I've got the right one here. So yeah, this is the VCarve Pro. The VCarve Pro that I've got for the machine. This is how you can do a lot of the design stuff. And I actually came up with some pretty cool, another cool one that that I was pretty happy with, actually. Let me see if I can find it here. I think I'm in Topos. Yeah, let me open this one up. All right, so this is kind of the idea of the thing, and then this is the toolpaths of how it would actually look. And there we go. Let's do this here. Let's preview all toolpaths. Boom, boom. And then what I did is I modeled in Blender the Front Range in Colorado, which is kind of a mountain range that, if you live near Denver, Boulder, you've seen the Front Range. So it's kind of used some geodata, a little bit of some programming and stuff like that, and got it all into, made it a model, and then brought it into here. And then this is kind of an idea for like a beer coaster or a coffee coaster. And this is kind of for work holding the edges, so that way it can actually still be held while it's being printed without, or being carved without too much problem. So that's kind of where I'm going with stuff. That's kind of the update that I've got is yeah, kind of starting to get some designs together and actually ready to go for the machine once it's ready. And I'm pretty excited about that. But once again, for the people in Entropia, I do apologize. I'm slacking. I've got mayhem on top of things that I'm trying to catch up with. All this new software and do my 100 hour, or it's like 100 hours for Regilite. It's ridiculous. But I'm about halfway done. So it's a lot of pressure to get all this shit going together, but kind of an update for you. So Once again, I apologize for slacking on the products at the shop, and otherwise, thanks for watching and have a good day.